Hello students, before this we have studied about reaction with water and reaction with oxygen. Now today our topic is reaction with acid, and in this way we will study about metals and non-metals both. So first of all then I will make it very clear to you that non-metals do not react. Non-metals do not react. With acids. Okay? In simple thing, non-metals do not react with acids. So what we have remaining? We have remaining that metals will react with acids. Now we will study about that. But before this, have you ever imagined why the pickles are not kept in any metal container? Why any pickle, either it is of mango pickle or it is of lemon pickle, why it is not kept in a metal container? Why it is not kept in an iron container or any aluminium container? What is the reason behind that? Have you ever thought about that? I might guess that you have never thought about that. I will tell you the reason behind that. The simple reason behind that is all the pickles contains acid in it. Either it will be a citric acid or it will be a ethanoic acid. So whatever it is having acid in it. So what we know, reaction with acid. In reaction with acid, metal react with acid and form salt plus hydrogen gas. Salt plus hydrogen gas. This salt will be what it will be? Useful or harmful. When reaction is done, it is not compulsory that every time you will get the useful salt. Might be you can get harmful salt. So what we were talking about? We were talking about pickles. So whenever the pickles are kept in any aluminium container or in any iron container, that aluminium or iron will be metal, the pickle will be acid. So when the both will react, it will form salt plus hydrogen gas. But the salt that is formed in this, that will be highly toxic salt. Highly poisonous, highly toxic salt. So if we are eating that, directly we will not eat. We used to take pickles and eat that. So when we are eating the pickles, we are getting the same salt that is made after the reaction of metal and acid. And that is toxic salt. So that toxic salt will make us ill, will make us diseased. So this is the reason we all are keeping the pickles in any plastic container. Either it is a vegetable oil box or it is any other box. That must be a plastic box, not a metal box. So here we will discuss about a simple example, that is what we can take, sodium. I am taking sodium because it is very common for you all, because from the starting we have discussed many times about sodium. Now after that, sodium will react, or any metal will react with dilute acid. Dilute acid or concentrated acid. There are two types of acid. One will be dilute, another will be concentrated. Okay, one will be dilute, another will be concentrated. But in this reaction with acid, we have to study about dilute acid. So when sodium react with dilute acid, it will form salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay. There will be one more doubt, that what is dilute acid and what is concentrated acid. So I will clear that doubt to you. Dilute acid means the acid that is having the more amount of water in it. and the concentrated acid means the acid that is having the less amount of water. If it is having less amount of water, it will be concentrated, but it will be more harmful. But if it is dilute, it will contain more amount of water and it will be less harmful to us. Okay, now I think that these points are clear to you. Definition, don't worry for that, I will give you in the notes. Okay, so here we are, sodium plus dilute acid plus salt plus hydrogen. So as every time we do symbolic representation, sodium Na plus, in dilute acid we will take hydrochloric acid. So here I am writing hydrochloric acid. Then again salt plus hydrogen. Na is the symbol of sodium, so hydrochloric acid will be symbolized in the form of HCl. H and C capital, L will be small. Why? Because it is made, this hydrochloric acid is made up of hydrogen plus chlorine. Hydrogen plus chlorine. Then it will form hydrochloric. Okay, so what we are adding? Hydrochloric means the symbol of hydrogen H and the symbol of chlorine Cl. So that's why here it is HCl. H and C capital, L is small. Okay. So next we have to go through the complete symbolic representation. Na reacted with HCl. Now what it will form? Just try to solve it by your own. Here it is Na react with HCl. What here it will have to form? Salt plus hydrogen. What is the symbol of hydrogen? Yes, correct, H. So if we are removing H, what is remaining? NaCl and H. So H is removed. What is remaining now? Na plus Cl. So here we will write NaCl plus hydrogen. Now what we have found? This is a salt and this is hydrogen gas. This salt is the common salt that we are using in our daily life. Common salt. The salt that we are using in our food, that is the chemical representation of that salt, NaCl, sodium chloride. Okay, so now I think that you have understood what happens in reaction with acid. When any metal react with acid, it will form salt and hydrogen. That salt may be useful, may be harmful. So I think this point is clear to you. Next point we will discuss in the next video, but before that you have to do what you have to do. You have to find out at least 5 equation of all the reaction with oxygen, reaction with hydrogen and reaction with acid. You have to find it by your own and then send me in Google Classroom as it is as your homework. Thank you, class.